Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Rashana Levin, Realtor with KW United. So today's video is I want to showcase where Lennar Homes is building throughout the country and talk about how to navigate their warranty and how to submit a claim. So they're in 26 states across the country, in Alabama, Florida, I won't name them all. They're in Nevada, California, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania. So let's see what they have in the Virginia area. So they have, this is coming soon, they have a community coming to Manassas. They're in Jefferson, Virginia. And a lot of locations are actually sold out. So they have a future release of where they're going to be. So they're in Ashbury, that's a new community, and then Stonehaven, and then Cincinnati Village in Westchester. So let's go to the warranty brochure. So what is included? So you can click on the whatever is included. So they have warranties from year 1 to year 10. So this highlights what is available. So the warranty is transferable to the new owner. Just if you sell your home during that time that the warranty is still available, you can transfer the warranty, which is a good selling point. So they offer a 1 year of the whole entire home. Then they do a 2 year of the mechanics, and then a 10-year of the structure. And I will link a description to this below. And then if you actually need to file a claim, this is what you need to do. You need to sign into your account. If you don't have one, then you would create one and you submit your service requests. So I hope this information was helpful to you. I'm going to link the descriptions below so you'll have quick access, and make it a great day. And thank you for watching. If you have any real estate questions, give me a call at 240-284-41